hope everyone enjoys this video as much as we enjoyed making it. Today we saw a lot of cool creatures, a lot of cool aquatic life, different types of fish, jellyfish, crabs. And so, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe.
Let's take it down to Mexico. All the bright lights in LA. 'Cause I know I can't ride this wave alone. No, no. Just hold on to my hand, girl. Let's get going. Darling, let's get going.
What's up, everybody? Kent here with Exploring Atlas. Today we're out here at Navarre Beach. We're checking out the pier, checking out the fishermen, maybe go hit the beach and do some shell hunting. So stay tuned and check us out.
I see the morning light breaking through the darkness. I see a new light coming from the distance, and I feel emotion.
You know, one of my favorite things about coming to the beach early in the morning is the peace and the calm. Not a lot of people out, and you're able to kind of just relax and think and really soak it all in. Whoa, that is cool.
Come here. Before he disappears. Yeah, he stepped on him. He stung me. He threw his tail at you? Not hard. I was poking it with my toe because I thought maybe he was a shell and it stung my toe. Anything exciting?
Yeah, there's a cool crab right here I'm playing with.
Oh, that you're playing with?
Yeah.
Is he just like the other ones?
Kinda, yeah. He's, I think he's caught another crab.
Oh.
Yeah.
Crab on crab bones?
Yeah, crab on crab crime.